Yo, welcome back to the channel. This is the CRX. We're going to be working on the Tahitian Green SI hatchback. Today's going to be the last video of this car. This is going to be the last time you guys see this car on the channel. It's going to get picked up on Thursday. It's currently Tuesday today. But first, let's talk about this table. I scored it on the Facebook Marketplace. It's I believe it was a 2003 Honda CRV table. So it's the Gen 2. And I got a steal on it. It doesn't have any damage. It looks pretty mint. So man, if you guys know about these tables, you guys know. And I picked it up for $20. There it is. Look at that. So yeah, man, shout out to the guy from Facebook Marketplace, bro. You're awesome, bro. 20 bucks out the door. He asked for 20 and I gave him 20. Didn't even hassle him. So today I'm just gonna remove the rest of the stuff, which is like the e-brakes, some of these brackets, which are like the e-brakes, some of these brackets here. I'm trying to remove as much as I can. I'm also going to be removing this little spoiler in the back. I'm going to remove these struts too as well. These hatch gaskets are here. See what else I can remove. So yeah, let's get to it. Stopped recording because my camera died, but I charged this for a little bit. This is basically everything that I pulled out from the interior. Those are the rear mounts for the bumpers, some brackets for the center console, the covers for the brake lines right here. These are spare bolts. I just took them off from items. The fuel tank cover. Yeah, that's about it. And the Honda emblem. Alright, now we're going to remove the stands off the car. We're going to put on these rollers here. Alright guys, that was it for that car. I gave it away to Pick and Pull, so they just kept it. Now we're going to start with the new vehicle. This is a 1991 SI hatchback. It's the same year and the same model too. Everything should bolt on directly, so we shouldn't have no issues. I'm trying to switch everything over, like especially the harnesses. I noticed on this car when I got it, one of the harnesses was cut. So it's going to be a long journey, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like, and do all that good stuff, man. Catch you guys the next time, and I'm out. Peace.